In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Safe Search filter in Yandex browser, so your search results are less restricted. Adjusting this setting can help you see a broader range of results when using the Yandex search engine. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your Yandex browser and navigate to the main search engine page. It's usually just a matter of typing in the Yandex URL or clicking on your bookmark, if you have one set up, to reach their homepage. Once you're there, the next thing you'll look for is the settings icon. It might be represented by a gear symbol, but if you don't immediately see that, you can also head over to the menu. Once you open up the menu, find and select Search Settings from the list of options available. Now that you've reached the search settings page, your next step is to find the section that focuses on filtering search results. It could be labeled differently depending on versions and updates, but generally, it will be something along the lines of Filter Search Results. This section is crucial because it directly impacts how the browser filters and displays your search content. Here, you'll see a few options to choose from, depending on how much filtering you want. For instance, if you're looking to see everything with no restrictions, you'd select the option labeled No Filter to completely disable Safe Search. Meanwhile, if you're only looking for a partial reduction in filter settings, there might be a moderate filter or similar options you can choose from. Changing these settings gives you more control over the kind of content that pops up during your searches. Once you've made your selection, remember to save or apply your changes before moving forward. There's usually a button at the bottom of the page for this purpose, making sure that your preferences are, in fact, registered by the browser. After saving your preferences, it's a good practice to refresh the page. This step ensures any updates are fully implemented. Just a quick refresh should do the trick. Now, to make sure that your changes are effective, try conducting a new search. Notice how the results might differ based on the filter options you've adjusted. You should see a noticeable difference if the settings have been applied correctly. And that's it. You've now successfully adjusted the Safe Search filter in your Yandex browser. With this simple change, you have more control over your search results and can access a wider range of content. In the next video, we'll explore how to maintain even more privacy by clearing search history and cookies. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.